another video for Ransom Shield. Today we're going to take a look at the standard version of Ransom Shield and the installation process. So I've gone ahead and started this, and let's go ahead and click install. And as soon as all the files are installed to the system, we're prompted for our activation code. So let's go ahead and enter that. And once we click next, the software will phone home and activate the license. Then it'll create our Windows Defender exclusions. And now we're prompted for the benefits of the professional version. So let's go ahead and click OK here. And next we're prompted for selecting the target drive for our backups. So the software has pre-identified the source drive, and since we've already connected the external backup drive, it's also been pre-selected. So all we've got to do is click next. And next we're prompted for backup options. The first option allows us to create a reoccurring backup schedule. Second option allows us to display the target drive in a boot menu. That makes it super easy. Every time we reboot, we're given the option of selecting either to boot normally or to boot from the backup drive. The third option is to enable ransomware protection. So that's a really cool feature where our backup drive is actually disabled and hidden from the system at all times unless a backup is taking place. So if ransomware ever strikes the system, that drive's not available for attack by the malware. And then the last feature we have here is we can exclude unneeded items from the backup process. So Ransom Shield has identified almost 40 gigabytes worth of temporary files, logs, things like event viewer files, stuff that's really not needed on the backup drive. So let's go ahead and click next. And next we're prompted if we want to create a data vault. Data vault is a feature that's really most beneficial with external drives that are really large capacity. So if you have, say, a 10 terabyte external drive, you can do a whole lot more with it besides just backup. So Data Vault will let you store a bunch of stuff on that external drive in addition to making that drive bootable with full system backups. So for the purposes of this video, we're not going to select to create a data vault. We'll just click next here. And the software is sizing up both the source and the backup drives. And now we're prompted to go ahead and start the first backup. So if we click yes and click next, the software will now partition and format the external drive so it'll match the data structure of your internal drive. And then once this process completes, it'll copy all of the data, all the files, all your folders from your internal drive to the external Ransom Shield drive. So that's about it. Just a few clicks and you're off and running. And probably in the next 15 or 20 minutes, the backup will complete. And at that point, we could boot from that external drive. So that's about it. It's really a very simple process to install Ransom Shield. All right. Thanks a lot for watching.